Alright guys, I'm back. But I took over the 10-minute mark. I hope I won't get in shit for that. Let's hope not. But okay. I'm thinking, actually, let's do this. Fuck you. Dude, that was sick. I owned 3 guys. Oh, that's a splash. Auto-tune laugh. Chris Smooth auto-tune laugh. Chris Smooth is the best. Knock you on your ass, knock you on your ass, get the fuck out of my way, you stinky hoe. Wait a minute. Fuck out of my way. Hop, hop, hop. All you. Oh, right fucking behind them. Saw that? Ah, fuck. Look at this. Oh man, this is gonna be a fucking party. Nice. Actually, no, I'll air assassinate these guys. Ah! Unexpected welcome, huh? Come on, come on. No look. Let a fucking guy just walking back and forth. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah, he fucking countered me. What a bitch. Oh. Switch to my line. Switch to the hidden blade. And you can only counter with the hidden blade. You can't attack. See? If you'll attack, you'll just block your shit. See? But when they're taunting, or doing like that guy, or being scared or something, or being fucking choke out or some shit, then you can do it. But you need to be very, see? Like, see? We're gonna only counter. No way. I love doing that. When they're running away, just chuck a knife. Chuck out that knife, baby. Oh man, look at this archer. Poor guy. Oh, splash. Splash. What the fuck? What is this? Oh, that's the fucking, what you call it. Air assassinate on this guy. Oh! I still can't believe you can do that in this game. I didn't know you can do it. Fuck, can't climb that. What the f... Dude, I can't get out. Thank you. Destroy those pots. Fuck out of my way. Come on, move. Move, you fuck. Oh my god. Get the fuck up there. There you go. Get that flag. And sure, I'm fucking get all the flags. Duh. No way. Shit. Die. What the fuck? How the fuck did I eliminate a Templar? How the fuck did I do that? Ow. Fucking asshole. Let's fight. Let's fight, asshole. Let's drive uppercut. Let's drive uppercut. Uppercut. I wanna fucking bust drive uppercut. wanna bust drive uppercut? Oh, I punched him in his balls. Oh, wait. I wanna show you this. I wanna show you this. This is gonna be great. He'll fucking fall on his ass. Watch. I can't turn the fucking camera. There you go. Grab him. Whoop. And he fucking falls. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. What's wrong? Hey there. Wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You push me in his face. And he didn't react. Fail. He didn't even fucking react. Dumb shit. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, another flag. But in Brotherhood, I can't believe that they fucking bring back the flags. What the fuck? Are you stupid? Nobody liked the flags. Seriously, nobody liked them. Who the fuck would collect them all? Well, I guess on Xbox we would get like an achievement or something. But seriously, if if let's take PC, okay? You sure you can do it just for fun, just to get all the collectibles, but what's the point to do it? You won't get any achievements. You won't get any fucking trophies. Seriously, you like won't get anything. Well, except joy. If you're such a fucking scavenger hunter. If you wanna go on a scavenger hunt. What the fuck? Wait. Smooth moves. What the f? What the fuck? Look at this! You all saw what happened, right? Look at this. This is fucking, oh my god. Oh, through the stairs. Do that again. Do that again. Come on. Come on outside. Fuck. Dude, that was so sick. What? You're assholes. And for that, I'm gonna kill you. Just like this. Hello, buddy. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Slash your neck. Slash your neck. Come on. You broke my defense. Again. Fuck you. I never used to break defense, to be honest. Oh. Slash your neck. Slash your neck. Low on the knife. Oh. A double kill. Wow. Wow. Can I like get up? Aww. I thought you could get up on that and then like air assassinate. Slash your neck, slash your neck, slash your fucking neck. Put your ass in the heat. What's up here? I've never been here. Oh no, I have been here. Nope. What about this? Yeah. Can I climb up this? No. You suck. Alright, do I have all the viewpoints. Okay. I say could go save that citizen. I mean, why not? Oh! What's that? Oh, what the fuck, dude? Smash a Max, smash your fucking neck. Get your ass off my dick, get your fucking dick off me. Come on! Fuck! Oh, that's how you can do it too. Okay. Just I failed. You fucking dodged it perfectly. You saw that? Alright, after this fight, I'm gonna split it. Shit. Let us cross our swords. But I do know how to do the executions, but I can never get him to come out. I've only gotten it like 1 or 2 times, to be honest. Oh, that fucking knife. Oh my god. It's gonna get away! Yes. Just wasted fucking 2 knives. Oh my god! Are you fucking... Are you fucking... quick. Assassinate? It's giving me an option to assassinate. It's still giving me the fucking option. Oh shit. Oh yeah! Ah! Fucking fell down. Like a noob. Like a boss. Mimi. Alright, I'm in the blue. I'll serve that citizen after I split it. Alright, let's split it here.